Welcome to another fun experiment. Here we will hack the Windows clock. First, I will open the Windows alarms and clock. Now, I will set the timers with 5 minutes, 2 minutes and 10 minutes. Now I will start the timers. Now I will open the date and time settings. I will turn off the automatic time. Now I will change the time to see the real magic. As you can see, what happened to the timer animations? They are showing some abnormal behavior. Okay, that's all for this video. We are going to do such fun experiments in the upcoming videos. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.